Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on wooden furniture. Wooden furniture has been a staple in homes for centuries, prized for their timeless appeal, versatility and durability. The warmth and character that wood brings to interior spaces make it a preferred choice for a wide range of furniture pieces, from classic designs to contemporary styles. Let's explore the enduring charm of wooden furniture and its significance in shaping the aesthetics and functionality of our living spaces. One key advantages of wooden furniture is its ability to seamlessly blend into various design styles. Whether your home leans toward a rustic farmhouse aesthetic, a sleek modern look, or a classic traditional vibe, there is a wooden furniture piece that can complement and enhance the overall ambience. The natural grain patterns, textures and hues of different wood species contribute to the uniqueness of each piece, creating a connection to nature that many find appealing. In the realm of seating, wooden chairs and sofas are not only functional but also contribute to the overall design scheme of a room. From intricately carved antique chairs to minimalist Scandinavian-inspired designs, wooden seating options cater to diverse tastes. The durability of well-crafted wooden chairs ensures they stand the test of time, becoming cherished heirlooms that tells a story of family gatherings and shared moments. Wooden dining tables serve as the heart of many homes, providing a gathering place for family meals and celebrations. Whether it's a robust farmhouse table made from reclaimed wood or a sleek modern design with clean lines, the dining table is a focal point that brings people together. The natural beauty of wood enhances the dining experience, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. In the bedroom, wooden bed frames offer both aesthetic appeal and structural integrity. From ornate four-poster beds to simple platform frames, wooden beds come in a variety of styles to suit individual preferences. The richness of wood adds a touch of luxury to the bedroom, creating a cozy and comfortable retreat. Storage is a crucial aspect of furniture. The wooden cabinets, dressers, and wardrobes excel in this regard. Wooden storage furniture provides both functionality and style. Whether it's a vintage armoire with the intricate detailing or a contemporary dresser with clean lines, wooden storage solutions add character to a space while serving a practical purpose. Coffee tables, side tables, and consoles crafted from wood contribute to the overall design cohesion of a living room. These pieces not only provide surfaces for decorative items and daily essentials, but also serve as focal points in the room. A well-chosen wooden coffee table can anchor a seating arrangement, while side tables are convenient spots for lamps and accessories. Wooden furniture's appeal also extends to outdoor spaces. Teak, cedar, and other weather-resistant wood are popular choices for patio furniture. The natural resilience of these woods allows outdoor wooden furniture to withstand the elements while providing a comfortable and stylish extension of the indoor living space. The sustainability aspect of wooden furniture adds to its allure. Many manufacturers prioritize responsible forestry practices, ensuring that wood used in furniture production comes from well-managed forests. Choosing wooden furniture with certifications such as FSC, Forest Stewardship Council, can further support environmentally conscious practices. Wooden furniture stands as a testament to the enduring marriage of form and function. Its ability to adapt from diverse design styles, coupled with natural beauty and durability of wood, makes it a perennial favorite. Whether it's a cherished antique passed down through generations or a contemporary piece that complements a modern living space, wooden furniture continues to be a timeless and cherished element in our homes. hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.